for joining us today. We're really excited because we've got a great market leader who's about to give you some incredible insider information that you can only get here. We all know that looking for the best professional for your needs can be intimidating, but here's a little secret. All you really need to know are the right questions to ask. And you're in luck because today's expert is here right now to help.
I'm often asked how to go about finding the right home remodeling contractor. The problem is that finding the right contractor can feel overwhelming. And the good news is that it doesn't have to be difficult if you know what questions to ask. Searching for the right general contractor to suit a client needs can be challenging. Finding an expert that is close by with flexibility, like extended hours and exceptional expertise, can feel like a tough search. I'd like to give you a few tips to finding a great home remodeling contractor. Tip 1. Do they have a great reputation? Read at least 6 to 10 reviews because it really gives you the comfort before you make your decision. Tip 2. Are they licensed, bonded and insured? You really want to make sure that you are hiring a decent and reliable contractor. Tip 3. Do they have a professionally experienced team? What are their credentials? You want to make sure that you are choosing a contractor with a team which is trained and experienced to provide whatever help you need. Our expertise is kitchen and bathroom remodeling, and we are focused on helping potential clients with planning, design, and construction. We are a family-owned business, and we are serving residential home properties of South Bay area of Los Angeles. For those that want to learn more about us, they can simply go to pulsarconst.com or they can call us at 424-241-0577. We are grateful for the opportunity to be useful to you and your family.
Wow, that's pretty incredible, isn't it? The right professional will have you seeing things in a whole new light. Do you need more information? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Bye for now.